Hello. Today, I am gonna teach you how to make thumbnails, but in picture form, because I can't screen record. I hope you like it. You need this 3 following apps to make and add thumbnails: Abyss Paint, XYT Studio, and Gacha Life. First, you need to go to Gacha Life to make and design the character that you need on your thumbnail. So I'm done designing my character. You can design it or make it whatever you want. So you need to go to the studio to screenshot your character. You can put any background, but in this video I am gonna put white background because I will just put the real background later.
Excuse me, miss, can I ask where I am?
Son, wrong video.
Oh, sorry. We were not here. We were not here.
Weird, but let's just go to Abyss Paint X to edit it. So now that you are in Abyss Paint X, you will see this choices. So now you need to choose my gallery. If you already pressed it, then click this plus button. If you're done, press import picture and choose the background you want. Now that we are here, I am just gonna edit my background a little bit. So I am done editing my background. I just blurred it a bit and put a frame. Let's add the picture or the one we screenshotted lately. To add it, we need to press this button, then this, and find the picture. If you already did, click magic wand, then cover your character and erase all the white background. I mean literally all. I'll just make some adjustments. I'm done. I just put some captions and we are done making the sample thumbnails. Lastly, you need to go to YT Studio. Click the video you want to put your thumbnail with, then press this and this, then the pic you just edited. So GATCHERS, thanks for watching my vid. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, then turn on the post notification for a shout out. Shout out to the persons WHO is watching. BYE.